Yes, we are back with another one. Hey, I really appreciate you guys that's been showing me hella love. Coming to my page, man, hitting that like button and also leaving those comments down below. So if you're new to the page, you can do a couple things. Make sure you subscribe. Number 1. 2, hit that notification button because I will be uploading consistently. If you go and check my recent uploads, you'll see that for your own self. But yes, I hope everyone's having a blessed and positive day out there this morning, guys. So yes, doing something new again to the Flash 2.0, that is. So what we will be doing today is nothing too much, another mod though. So it took me after I said a couple months to finally wrap the lower side scoops of the car. So I finally learned a dope technique on that. Unfortunately, I didn't record it because I didn't get to that point, that comfortability point, to where I can show you guys on how to wrap and shit, But we gonna get there, guys. You guys just stay in tune. But yeah, so before we do this, we definitely have to do it right. You guys know the only way to do it is the right way with me. So about to go take the car to get it washed real quick. Then from there, you guys already know, just sit back and enjoy the whole car wash scene. You guys know we got some new artists up on the scene, man. And I'm also doing a giveaway, guys. I'm almost about to hit 500 subscribers. And at 500 subscribers, I'm gonna do a free giveaway, man. It'll be a surprise. It's definitely gonna be worth it too. So you guys just stay in tune. Everyone out there, make sure you have a blessed and positive day. And we also have more future artists coming, man. You guys heard SK, Blue Hunter SK, his little bro. I recently been uploading his Kjwrapz with the Blue Hunter PMF. Shout out to Blue Hunter HD, 100 of them. You guys know those my brothers. Upstate East Coast, that is, Then we have some more artists coming out, man. Reached out to some more, man. They've been loving the page, so they're gonna throw their music along my way, our way, because you guys will also be listening to it too, man. You guys make sure all the music I put on, hope you guys loving it, man. Make sure you guys go check those guys' music page out, man. Go show them hella love and support, man. Go run up those likes and go drop those comments to let them guys know that you fuck with their music as well. But with that said, yeah, I'll show you guys a little sneak peek. Here they go right here. Ooh, yes. It was a bitch. I think it took me like 3 attempts to finally like get which technique down to wrap it properly. Like, with that said, it's like the underlays have to be right, guys. For all my rappers out there, Kjwrapz, you guys know. And also my sponsors. You guys taught me very well, I should say, So, yeah, man, I've just been learning from you guys, man. So we get there. We get there, like I said. So, guys, let me stop doing so much talking. Hey, guys, so we finally made it to the car wash, safe and sound. So, yeah, guys, we made it here. You guys know. I'm excited, guys, because I've been uploading these videos on you guys, and a lot of people have been loving them. I'm gonna have a new track in this one as well, so you guys stay in tune. Enjoy the car wash, the effects, and the music, guys. We will be right back.
I'm the truth, they been lying to you. Got the cash coming through, tryna make a message move. No, I never gon' lose. Young guy coming through, what they do when I move with the moon. DDs be my goons. I'm the truth, they been lying to you. Got the cash coming through, tryna make a message move. No, I'm never gon' lose. Young guy coming through, what they do. This shit scary, they ain't ready for the fed. Need the fatty, walk steady to the bank. Meditate, got me walking on the lake. You can do that in them J's, I might buy him anyway. Grab the mind of a vanity slave. Tell him invest in your brain. I'm just trying to break a chains. I'm just trying to buy a chain. You could change and never change. I'm a line and still insane. Baby said they lack them craze. Love the way I channel rage. Shoot them off, ain't in my range. Point the 9 at your mind. Sally chime, deadline. Where your eyes at, huh? Better wear a vest, cause Popo don't protect. And Polite out his neck. And they got chest for sex. Shit, we ain't getting rest. In this room, and my niggas be my goons. I'm the truth, they been lying to you. Got the cash coming through, tryna make a message move. No, I never gon' lose. Young guy coming through, what they do when I move with the moon. DDs be my goons. I'm the truth, they been lying to you. Got the cash coming through, tryna make a message move. No, I'm never gon' lose. Young guy coming through, what they do. This shit scary.
Hey guys, so I really hope you guys appreciated that, man. I haven't washed the car since I made back in town from big LA trip for get the Lambo door. Having all that butt juice off. Right now, I'm used to letting the wind dry the car off. So I'll see you guys once I get back to the house. I'm gonna try to dry the car off as much as possible and install the side floor panel side screws for you guys. So we just had to stop real quick, gas up, and also grab some food. My lovely wife doesn't feel like cooking today. She always cooks, guys. She's been a wonderful housewife for the longest since this whole pandemic thing been here, man. Hey, you guys out there, man, you guys make sure you get you a woman that can cook. Make sure you get you one that can cook. So we usually don't eat out, but we about to eat out now, right now, because she doesn't feel like cooking. Then we're gonna be on our way. The car is like completely dry already. I already blew through the wind here and there. So we good, guys. So you guys just stay tuned. I really appreciate you guys again for just coming to my page, showing hella love, and just supporting the boy, man. We got 25 videos. Well, once I upload this, I'll probably be at like 27, 28. Once I upload this, you guys will see this, man. You know, I'm ahead of time, you guys. You know, the Flash, always ahead of time. So yeah, that's what we're doing right now, guys. Hey guys, so we finally made it back from the car wash. I hope you guys really enjoyed that. I'm gonna have some more artists for you guys too, man. If you guys know any artists, send them my way, man. So we're gonna get started on this thing. So the car recipes, you need to install these bad boys. The side lower screws will be, of course, the jack. Get it up. Make sure you have these. I actually want to go buy one of these from Home Depot, but it came to my mind that it's in the back of the trunk. Save money, guys. And this is just the drill right here. The drill to just drill the new nails in. But what you need to do before everything, make sure you have the car in e-brake. I have a stopper up front because it's rear-wheel drive and I will be lifting the back up. So that's the most important thing you guys need to know before doing anything like this, guys. Safety first. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how to do that, and you guys already know. Sit back, enjoy me show you guys how to install the lower panel screws for the 370Z. Hey guys, there's one more thing I wanted to show you guys before we do get started. With that said, a solid point. Make sure you have a solid point before putting the jack stand and raising it up. I've seen this happen tons of times. Guys put it where the oil pan be at, hella crap. Make sure you guys put it on a solid point. I'm gonna show you guys who have 370Zs or EQs. So right here, we're gonna use this right here. So yeah, you guys be ready. I'm about to get started and I ain't stopping. Another thing, guys, make sure you loosen the lug nuts up before raising the car up, so that way once the car is in the air on the stands, you don't have to worry about tugging it back and knocking it off. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. Make sure you work smart, not hard, like I said, guys. So, oh yeah.
In this room, and my niggas be my goons. I'm the truth, they been lying to you. Got the cash coming through, tryna make a message move. No, I never gon' lose. Young guy coming through, what they do when I move with the moon. DDs be my goons. I'm the truth, they been lying to you. Got the cash coming through, tryna make a message move. No, I'm never gon' lose. Young guy coming through, what they do. This shit scary, they ain't ready for the fed. Need the fatty, walk steady to the bank. Meditate, got me walking on the lake. You can't do that in them J's. I might buy him anyway. Grab the mind of a vanity slave. Tell him invest in your brain. I'm just trying to break your chains. I'm just trying to buy a chain. You could change and never change. I'm a line and still insane. Baby said they lack them craze. Love the way I channel rage. Shoot them off, ain't in my range. Point the 9 at your mind. Selly time. Deadline, where your eyes at, huh? Better wear a vest, cause Popo don't protect, and Poli out his neck, and they got chest for sex. Shit, we ain't getting rest.
Hey, so you guys see me do the first side of the car. You guys make sure you drop that comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about so far. We're about to move on to the next one. We're gonna get up out of here. It's time to play games, so I gotta get up out of here. For the ones that I got Xbox, you guys can add me. It'll be right here in my gamer tag.
To you, got the cash coming through, tryna make a message move. No, I never gon' lose. Young guy coming through, what they do when I move with the moon. DDs be my goons. I'm the truth, they been lying to you. Got the cash coming through, tryna make a message move. No, I'm never gon' lose. Young God coming through, what it do? This shit scary, they ain't ready for the fed. Need the fatty, walk steady to the bank. Meditate, got me walking on the lake. You can't do that in them J's. I might buy him anyway. Grab the mind of a vanity slave. Tell him invest in your brain. I'm just trying to break your chains. I'm just trying to buy a chain. You could change and never change. I'm a line and still insane. Baby said they lack them craze. Love the way I channel rage. Shoot them off, ain't in my range. Point the 9 at your mind. Selly time. Deadline, where your eyes at, huh? Better wear a vest, cause Popo don't protect, and Poli out his neck, and they got chest for sex. Shit, we ain't getting rest. In this room, and my niggas be my goons. I'm the truth, they been lying to you. Got the cash coming through, tryna make a message move. No, I never gon' lose. Young guy coming through, what they do when I move with the moon. DDs be my goons. I'm the truth, they been lying to you. Got the cash coming through, tryna make a message move. No, I'm never gon' lose. Young guy coming through, what they do? This shit scary.
Hey, I really appreciate you guys for letting me show you how to install the lower side scoops for the 370Z, man. I hope you guys really enjoyed that. You guys know what to do, man. Like, share, subscribe, hit that notification as well, man. I really appreciate you guys for showing me hella love and support. Also doing a giveaway, guys. I'm almost about to hit 500 subscribers, and at 500 subscribers, I'm gonna do a free giveaway, man. It'll be a surprise. It's definitely gonna be worth it too. So you guys just stay in tune. Everyone out there, make sure you have a blessed and positive day.